In this video, we're going to learn how to upload your game clips to your computer and then to Hudl using iTunes. Before learning how to upload, it's very important to first check the game you're wanting to upload and ensure that all of your play clips are downloaded onto the iPad you'll be uploading from. You can verify this in the game by scrolling through all of the clips at the bottom of the screen and making sure that none have a blue download arrow. If your system has multiple angles, you'll need to switch between each angle and scroll through all of the clips for each, looking for any blue download arrow symbols. If any plays do have the download arrow, that means that they weren't downloaded on this iPad and they won't show up in Hudl, QuickCut, or any other file sharing service when uploading. You can still retrieve the plays, but you'll need to connect back to your system in order to do so. If your system has already been disconnected, you'll need to reconnect the devices to the network and connect back to the SportScope Wi-Fi with the iPad. Then you can access the missing plays and download each one by tapping the icon in the main video player or the picture-in-picture window for other angles. Do this for all plays needing to be downloaded. If you have a smart camera or edge replay system, refer to the simplified setup to access all angles of the system without having to connect every piece of equipment again. This should only take a few minutes and save you a lot of time. As a best practice, we recommend checking that all plays for each angle are downloaded onto the iPad you'd like to upload it from as the last thing you do before disconnecting and breaking down the equipment immediately following a game or practice. Once you've confirmed that all plays are downloaded onto the iPad, the next step is to go to Games. Tap Select in the top right corner and then tap on the game you want to upload. Tap Share and then select to iTunes. The app will package the game, and a pop-up will tell you when it's done. For this step, you don't need to be connected to the internet or to the SportScope network.
After you've shared your game to iTunes, you're going to then take your iPad and the charging cable. You're going to connect the charging cable to the iPad and to your laptop. It could be a Mac or a PC. The iPad may ask if you want to trust this computer. Just hit Trust and then sign into your iPad. Now moving over to your computer, you're going to want to open iTunes. Once iTunes opens up, it may ask you to update iTunes, which is fine. You might as well do that. It might ask you to sign in. You don't need to do that. What we're looking for here is the iPad icon up here. You don't want to select this one, but the one right up at the top. You're going to select that.
On the left-hand side, select File Sharing. Tap on the SportScope app and select the game. You can then click on Save and save it to your desired location. At the top, iTunes will show that it's copying the files over. This might take around 5 minutes for a full 2-angle game.
You can see that the demo game is here on my desktop, and what I can do is go ahead and select this and hit delete on my laptop, and then I'm going to hit delete. Now that's just going to delete it from the iTunes section of your iPad. If you accidentally did that, it's still going to be on the SportScope app, so you could just share it over again and save it to your desktop. But once you have it to your desktop, you can clear this out. It just keeps the app from getting too large and taking up too much storage on your iPad. So now I'm done with iTunes. I'm going to open up this folder here, and inside we've got an in-zone folder and a sideline folder. Depends on how many cameras you're using, but if you have 2 cameras, you'll expect 2 angles. So we've got all 8 of our in-zone shots from that demo game, and then all 8 of our press box shots. This makes it really easy to intercut once you get into Hudl. And then we also have an ODK file that you can import into Hudl if you did any live tagging from our app.
Once the clips are on your computer in their respective folders, you can use Hudl Mercury or Hudl.com to upload each angle. Thank you for watching this instructional video and choosing SportScope.